All right, so we are here in the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Camille is her name. I will be going around tightening some bolts. When I'm driving in here, it's an old car, so it's a little rattly, and it's probably the road, and this might not help at all, but I'm getting to know my vehicle a little better and taking you along for the rides. So the whole purpose of this video is really just to kind of do just sort of like a fun vlog, just something interesting to edit, to change it up a little bit, because the one I'm working on is a sort of a video introducing my video game and sort of my whole thought process and my way going through that. So in the meantime, before that comes out, you get to watch this. So that's pretty cool. Today, it's August 19th, T-minus 1 day until Hurricane Hilary, I believe. It's supposed to make landfall here in San Diego, a historic event. Apparently it hasn't been a tropical storm, hurricane slash thing here in 80 years-ish. Almost as long as the Red Sox went without winning a World Series. Still salty, but not anymore actually, because not salty anymore. We're the freaking best team ever. Go Sox. What else am I trying? I'm trying to tighten this bolt. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a pre-storm. It's really gonna, by the time it gets to San Diego, it's gonna be a tropical storm, sort of the prediction. Still, anticipating a lot of rainfall and a fair amount of panic, at least from the locals. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so after looking at the car under the hood, I noticed that the coolant was low. Car is staying plenty cool in the normal range. So as long as my sensor isn't bad, which I don't think it is because it seems to start from cold and then as the car warms up it gets warmer. Let me shut off the car here. Yeah, so you can see that level right there actually does come up quite a bit once it's warm. So I think it's probably just, the level's just low, that's all. I mean, the only real thing I have to say is, just check your car every once in a while. It's not like I had a check engine light on or anything, but I've got the coolant, so if it ever needs it, which I will put some in because it should be up to the max line once it's warm. So I will fill it a little bit just to add that extra, but I mean, we're doing pretty good, so woo!